Hmm. Nice. Hi Google, where's the nearest pizza shop near me? I mean, near me. Wow, Sam's Pizza. Na si mbali. Guys, twendeni. Sam's Delicious. Wow, ni hapa.
Yes, sasa
Nataka Sam.
mimi ndo Sam. Karibu sana
Hi
Sam's
Sam.
Delicious. Yeah, hi.
Nataka pizza.
Nataka pizza. Which flavor?
Yoyote
We
tu.
have all the flavors that you can get anywhere. Tuko na chicken barbecue, tuko na chicken peri peri, we have chicken tikka, we have Hawaiian, we have pepperoni pizza, and we have meat deluxe.
Nataka pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni si nzuri kwa watoto. Inakuanga kali kidogo. So can we do a chicken barbecue which is sweet for children? Unaweza fanya
That one. Hiyo sasa.
Yeah, okay. So nikupe gani? Which size?
Medium.
A medium size. Okay, nitakupa hiyo medium size. Utangoja for 5 minutes itakuwa ready.
Na price?
Prices for other pizzas we have the large size we have at 1,000. Every pizza is 1,000. The large size. The medium size is 800. The one you chose. The small size is 550. And then we have the family one, mega, and you can eat the whole family. That's 1,400.
Hivyo medium ni ngapi?
Medium ni 800. The one you chose.
Wow. 800?
Yeah, 800.
Sawa.
Hello, Toto. Your barbecue pizza is ready.
Wow. Nice.
Inakaa tamu. Okay, sawa. So nikufungie hii. Okay.
Nitengenezee mbili hapo.
Okay, sawa.
Ugudo ba kayo?
Kwani mtoto ameenda?
Enyewe, Sam's Delicious Pizza anapika pizza tamu. Get yours today. Call the number on your screen for free delivery. 0723 350 251. Location, Imara Daima, Serenity Court. Welcome.